Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, brother and sister. Today I want to share my private files and share my calling and my friend. I hope if you see this video right, let's go. First of all, click and hit your new tab and please wait now. Um, this tab is loading. This is your your favorites, huh? And click and hit the drive, this drive icon and drive text. Click and hit this and new icon plus and new text. Click and hit this and file upload Walter plus C plus, then you click and hit file upload and showing your wall file, and I choose my file and click and hit open. uh my uh big file setup. Please wait now, my dear brother and sister. No, this file, not this file. Stop. No, 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 no. My file name takeaway shop. Click and hit or select. Click and hit open. Very long file of 1 GB plus. Please wait now, my dear brother and sister. I want to share my basic about sorry, lift 8 minutes. I'm a Shakil. My I'm a web developer and digital marketer. My company name SM Textfire IT. SM Textfire IT is very popular IT company for a Bangladesh. Uh, Already SM Textfire IT heavy client 300 plus, and my company other service and super package, unlimited package, customized design and other package and service, YouTube growth. This service is very popular and my already uh, 50 plus client use this service. Client is very happy. Oh, so what now. So brother and sister, click in other service. My basic work ready project. This project already ready, because if you need any project, please let me contact with me and my company. uh, uh, I will get back to you as soon as possible, and this package, clothing and servicing, watch, furniture, gadget, spa, clothing and others website or landing page or software. If you need any software, any website or any landing page, feel free, please let me know. Please right now, this file already upload 40%. If you see this right, this right now, this video I will pause, and then this file upload done, and I will play this video, right? Please wait now. So brother, this file already uploaded. Click and hit this file name, and this is a log part. I hope if you see this right. Hello, assalamu alaikum. জি না না কেউ ফোন আপনি হয়তো ভুল জায়গায় কল করছেন। এটা হচ্ছে নিকুঞ্জ 2 রুট নাম্বার 1। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। So brother and sister, this for a long person. So copy this file and click and hit done. And my teacher, I will share this file. My teacher Dilwar, my this teacher is very. So I shared this drive file and. Sir, and then pass and username ID. So I already shared this file my teacher. So brother and sister, if you need any help, if you need any website, and if you need any video editing and graphics and digital marketing service, please feel free know, let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I will share this video my real profile and my real face. So if you this video, please enjoy now. This is my sorry, this is my Facebook page, and it's me. If you see this right, it's me, and this video I will post. Okay.